On today's program, we are spotlighting a solution designed with budget-conscious professionals in mind, the Tennant T360 walk-behind scrubber. This machine delivers reliable cleaning performance, perfect for building service contractors and operators who want simplicity, efficiency, and productivity in a tough labor market. And to share with us all the details of this innovative product, I'm pleased to welcome Ray Wan, the Senior National Distribution Manager with Tennant. Ray, it's a pleasure to have you.
Hi, Jeff. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to your description of this innovative product. But first, introduce yourself, tell us about your role at Tennant and what you do there.
Sure. So I've been with Tennant for about 13 years, and I work on the national distribution team, which manages the large portfolio of large national distributors.
So, Ray, I know Tennant is a fabulous company. I have to ask, what do you love about working there?
So what I love about working here is working with people, working with customers that are both internal and external. At Tennant, we make quality products and we have great programs. I love bringing the two together to problem solve and offer solutions. And end of the day, if my customers are happy, I'm happy.
Great equipment. Let's talk about one of them that you're proud of, the T360, brand new to the market.
So the T360 is a new value line product from Tennant. It's a mid-sized scrubber, 28 inches, and it's priced attractively while still offering the full Tennant experience that our customers are looking for.
So, talk about the design philosophy behind the T360. And you mentioned how it's a value play. What does that mean for professionals watching their budgets?
So what it means is that at Tennant, we did some market research, identified a customer segment that was underserved. These are customers that want a reliable solution. So with that in mind, we designed a T360 with these customers in mind, with the mindset of just being easy. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, easy to repair.
Now, I know Tennant makes a lot of equipment, and many machines come loaded with software and features. But to expand on your comments previously, why was it important to keep the T360 simple? I think there's just one button to push and then it goes. Talk about that.
Pretty much, yeah. So when you look at it, different customers have different cleaning needs and different budgets. This customer segment, again, just only wants a basic machine without necessarily bells and whistles. So with that in mind, we designed this machine with just ease and simplicity in mind. The control panel has really three features: an on-off button, a hour meter, and a speed control dial. So we designed it to keep the operator training as simple as possible. We also install the machine with maintenance-free batteries to keep the maintenance as simple as possible. And lastly, it doesn't have a complex computer board to keep the repairs as simple as possible.
Ray, did you know there's a labor shortage out there?
Oh, it's all around us. Yeah, for sure.
So let's talk about that just for a moment because with the labor shortage happening, contractors, facilities, they need workers. This T360, how does that help these companies and facilities onboard new workers faster and reduce the pain of turnover? Because we know it's real.
Yeah, good question. So the more complex the machine, the more reasons are there for other people to do something else, right? So this machine is simple for new operators to feel confident in using it and maintaining it, which allows them to do a job well, which increases job satisfaction.
Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not very handy with the wrench, pair of pliers, any of that. So maybe others watching this are in my boat. What would you tell them? Why is a T360 a machine they can easily maintain without specialized tools or technical support?
So when we designed the machine, we really designed it with ease of use and simplicity in mind. We also designed it with the budget conscious customer in mind. But being easy and simple to use, it's also great for DIYers who want to do their own maintenance. However, if you want full service support, we have various service packages as well to add to that.
Yeah, I'd be calling those service professionals myself. So talk about this. Who do you see as the prime user for this machine, and how does Tenant work with distributor partners to get the T360 into the hands of those that need it, building service contractors especially?
So one of the prime targets we have are going to be the BSCs that are in the small to medium sized segment. They want a reliable solution, but they have a smaller budget to work with. And with distribution, they can provide a starter package with the machine, chemical, paper, PPE, and so forth, which plays right into the value added offering.
Well, Ray, it's been great to get to know this machine. Thank you for the details. To wrap it up, anything we might have missed you want to share, and then end it with how those watching can get more information.
Sure. So the two main takeaways are that this machine is simple and easy to use and is priced attractively, right? While still providing the full tenant experience. I'm really excited about this machine because it allows us to reach a broader customer segment. And if you want to learn more about this machine, go to tenantco.com.